Pro tip: important repairs to make to your house before selling it. But before we start, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Update your grout. Buyers will notice cracks and stains in grout. Refreshing the grout by either replacing it or having it steam cleaned by a professional will make a world of difference to your flooring and your tile in your showers, your tubs, your backsplash in your kitchen.
Resuscitate a dying lawn. Brown, patchy grass and weeds make a buyer think, oh my gosh, this one's going to take a lot of work. Invest in a lawn care service to get your lawn up to par, or research products yourself and work on your lawn.
Erase pet damage. Do you have pets that have made themselves overly comfortable? Has your dog eaten at the drywall or scratched maybe at a door and caused damage? Have that all fixed. You don't want scratches in your floor or on your walls or on your doors. So get rid of all the stains and the scuffs and make it look new again.
Revive an outdated kitchen. Kitchens are one of the most important features of a home for buyers. And it doesn't necessarily have to cost a lot of money to update your kitchen. You could paint your cabinets or refinish them, or get new countertops. It doesn't take that much for your kitchen to look updated.
We're the McLoughlin Sommer team from Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.